I have this hand soap. This is Mars. It was on sale from Walmart. My husband picked it up on our last haul, but I forgot to share it. And it was like $3. It was actually $9.99. Hello and welcome to At Homes with the Jordans. I pray that you all had a blessed weekend and I pray that you have a blessed week. Today's video is a haul from Burlington, Olives, and HomeGoods. So let's get to it. Let me show you what I got. I don't know if I want to put the camera on a tripod. Yeah. First, let's share this. I am stocking up on all of my seasons. So I have this 5-gallon Himalayan salt, and it was $7.99. Look at that. I have the salt. Let's put all this over here. In the last video vlog, I shared with you all that I had purchased some turmeric. So I bought some more. And I think it was only $5.99. I'm just stocking up on my seasoning for the year. And I'm going to make my own butter. So I bought 2 of these. I don't have my glasses on. 29 fluid ounces of organic refined coconut oil, and they were $5.99. I bought some more. I did buy some more seasoning, but I've already put it up. So I like, at the first of the year, at the beginning of every year, I like to stock up on my seasoning. It was something else. Oh, I've been using it. I have this hand soap. This is Mars. It was on sale from Walmart. My husband picked it up on our last haul, but I forgot to share it. And it was like $3. It was actually $9.99. So let's get to, excuse me. Hello. Hey.
What's up, baby? What you want to eat?
Okay. Sorry about the interruption, but I had to answer that phone. But I had to answer that phone call. Okay, I just showed you all the seasoning that I bought, and the coconut oil and the turmeric, as some people say turmeric. Now, I should have put it right here. Let me show you all what, look. All of these items, the seasoning, came from Burlington. I picked this up, KitchenAid, which is beautiful. This is a pillar. I picked this up from, I'm trying to figure out where I got it from. I think this came from Burlington. Yes, this came from Burlington. I picked this pillar up from Burlington, and it was $3.99. And I tried to match it with my pot and pan set. Isn't that gorgeous, the color? The reason why they had pink, and the reason why I got, this is like a teal? But I got this color because of my Go Green, you can't see it, pan down there. I have a pan that's the same color, just a little darker, slight darker. This pot set came from Ollie's. Can you believe it? Martha Stewart. It is Martha Stewart, and it was $19.99, I think. Yes, $19.99. Look at that, Martha Stewart, baby. So, look at this big ceramic non-stick aluminum saute pan. Martha Stewart, Ollie's, $19.99. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yes. Loving it. So put all that right there. And now, oh, wait. I'm getting ready to redo my pantry. And I bought all these trays and food storage. This nice food storage container was actually only $6.99. I should have gotten two. And I'll be using this container for pasta. Yes. Look. $5.99. This is a Lazy Susan. Lazy Susan turntable. $5.99. I will put my condiments in this. Lazy Susan. And I'm going to show you all when I get ready to redo the pantry again. Because I just did a video vlog. I think it's like 2 videos back of the pantry. But I just want to use, I already have some containers here. I think I do down here. Yes, I see 3 of them down there that I already had. These fridge and pantry bins, this is nice. It was like $4.99. I have so many granola bars and stuff. Healthy granola bars. So I bought 2 of these for $4.99. And I bought this big storage bin to put other things in. So all of this is going to go in the pantry. This bin was $4.99 as well. So we got that. And over here on this counter, I'm going to turn the camera. Let me share something with you all. On the last vlog, I showed you this. And it was like $12.99 from TJ Maxx. And I put it with that. Let me share something with you. I forgot that I had purchased this one with that bowl. See, it's the perfect, it's identical. And I think I paid like $20 for this. I purchased this one in Florida. I got this from Florida at HomeGoods. So I'm going to take all my utensils out and I'm going to soak them on the next video vlog. See? So I already had one. When I opened up my bottom cabinet, I was like, really? So I put the utensils in this one. And this beautiful one, I put over here on my coffee bar. Okay. I found these beautiful, Blessed is She Who Believes. Blessed is She Who Believed. $4.99 journals with a pearl tip pen. I purchased 2 of these for the women conference that I'm having. I'm giving out gift bags. And my journal that I made, they're on Amazon. I personally made them just for the women conference. So these are beautiful. So I'm going to give these 2 away as gifts. And the name of the women conference is Powerful. P-O-W-H-E-R-F-U-L. Powerful. Yes. We are powerful women. I purchased this 12-inch beautiful, beautiful wing set. If you know, let me turn the camera around. In my dining room, I have one already in there. But it's in a frame. It's very challenging. It is very challenging to try to find the exact one. I did Google Lens and found one, but it really doesn't match. Oh, I'm over here with this. Girl, what are you doing? So this is wing sets. This is a wing set. Like that. Beautiful. And look like there's a piece that broke off in the box. And it is 2 pieces. Look at that. Now that's what you get glue for. It was actually $12.99. It's not worth me taking it, driving back to Albany, taking it back. Just glue it on there. You really can't tell it. It come from right here, so I'll put that piece back on. Just like that. I probably did it myself, but I'm gonna get my husband to, I'm gonna get Ron to put those up. I have this Sonic soap dispenser. I wanted this. I'm thinking about putting it in the kitchen. I am. It was $4.99 from Ollie's. See that? I'm thinking about the kitchen. And I needed some more curtain hooks. So I bought these black ones from Ollie's for $4.99 for the bathroom downstairs, the guest bathroom downstairs, which I haven't shown you all, that big gigantic bathroom downstairs. I got me some nighttime organic tea. I don't even have my glasses on. I don't know why when I film, I take those glasses off. $1.99. See that? $1.99. I did find some hand wash soap, peppermint bark from Ollie's for $1.99. Oh, they was $2.29, and I'm gonna put them in this dispenser. So it smells good too. They smell good. I'm gonna put both of them in here. We're gonna do that on film. What in the world is that noise? I found me some, I bought this I have cappuccino, so I could put in my coffee tray. And it was $4.49, Ollie's. I did get some more of these soap dispenser. The black for downstairs bathroom, guest bathroom, it was $1.99. They're beautiful. Let's take one out. It's beautiful. That's rubber right here. That's glass. I love that. Look at that. I got two black ones for $1.99 each. And I also bought two of these gray ones for $1.99 each. They're going upstairs. They're going in the guest bathroom upstairs, which we're getting ready to go upstairs next and repaint the bathroom. I haven't done anything to that bathroom yet. I got this big old Hershey Kissy bar, chocolate bar. I got this big old Hershey Kissy candy bar. It was $3.79, but I'm going to show you where I'm putting it at. And I got me a 12, I have these Ritz, 12 small family packs, family size packs. 12 small family size pack, and let me show you what I'm going to do with this Hershey bar. Yes. Let's make some room. I bought more stuff, but I think Ron done put, oh, I do, it's right over here, majority of it up. Let's move this. We'll do this one next. I had peppermint in. So, it's clean. I'm going to take this, open it up. And sit it back over here. This trash can is not open. I bought some more curtains, HomeGoods. I bought some more curtains like I need them. I think they were like $14.99. Look at that. Gorgeous. And this candle right here is a perfect match. So these were $14.99. No, this is Ollie's. Oh wow, I thought these were Burlington. I thought it was HomeGoods. It's Ollie's. I bought these beautiful curtains for $14.99 at Ollie's. Yes. They're going to go in. I'm going to put these in the guest bathroom upstairs. I have this picture to go with it for the guest bathroom upstairs. Look at that. This is HomeGoods, and it was $14.99. I only purchased one because I don't have much wall space upstairs in the upstairs bathroom. This candle is going to go in the upstairs bathroom as well. It smells good. It was $11.99. HomeGoods. $11.99. Okay. I have these two shower rods. I bought white because I have gold already in there, and I'm going to mix them up. They come from Ollie's. They were $9.99 each. Simple. Just something simple because I already have gold ones. And they both was $9.99. Now, let me turn you all this way. You see what's on the chair? Baby, this was my favorite item. Look, this is it's going in my upstairs. It's going upstairs in the hallway. This is a sheepskin rug, faux rug. Sheepskin faux rug for $39.99. Look at that. Look at that, baby. And I'm going to look at that. The quality is so thick. And I'm going to show you all where I'm going to put it. Upstairs hallway. Okay. All right. This is gorgeous. I love this. I should have, and they had one in black. I'm always doing that. I think I'll go back and get the black one too. All right, that's it for this haul. And I would end it with stay safe and stay blessed. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, be blessed.